the previous equation is of, the previous logical step is of x square plus 2x into b by 2a equals to minus c by a. So, x square plus 2x 2 into x into b by 2a is equals to minus c by a. So, I am going to add up b by 2a whole square, that is b by 2a whole square. So, on the right hand side also I have to add the same, that is b by 2a whole square. Then now, as per the left hand side, it is in the form of, it can be written as x whole square, x square as x whole square plus 2 into a as x into b as b by 2a plus b square b by 2a whole square is equals to minus c by a plus b by 2a whole square. B by 2a whole square is nothing but b square by 4a square. Then now, when I assume x as a, that is x as a and b by 2a as b, then b by 2a as b, it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, here we know a square plus 2ab plus b square is nothing but, it is a special product, a plus b whole square. Then now, based upon this special product, so here the next logical step will be of, since it is a square plus 2ab plus b square, we can write it as a plus b whole square, but a is nothing but x plus b is nothing but b by 2a whole square. So, instead x square plus 2x into b by 2a plus b by 2a whole square, which is in this form, a square plus 2ab plus b square, it is written as a plus b whole square, a substituted as x, b substituted as b by 2a whole square. Then that equals to, right hand side is of minus c overall divided by a plus b square overall divided by 4a square. So, here that implies, so I want to write x plus b by 2a whole square as it is on the left hand side, then that equals to, so on the right hand side I want to take, so here 4a square and a, the LCM will be of 4a square itself, because a is also one of the factor of 4a square. So, 4a square is LCM. Numerator minus c must be written as it is within the bracket and must be multiplied with a. So, here 4a square LCM must be divided by this a in order to get this quotient here. So, LCM, that is 4a square totally divided by this a. So, here denominator, so here 1a and 1a will be gets cancelled, that is equals to 4. So, here 2 minus 1, so here 2 minus 1, a power m divided by a power n, we can write it as a power 2 minus 1, then that is equals to 4, a to the power of 2 minus 1 is of just 1, that is 4a. So, we can write it as 4a, or in other words a into 4a is nothing but 4a square plus numerator b square is written as it is into 4a square divided by 4a square, it is of 1s. So, 4a square 1s is of 4a square. We can write this as the rough work. Then now, the next logical step will be of, so here x plus b by 2a whole square is equals to b square 1s is of b square, but b square 1s is of b square with positive, therefore, I wrote in the beginning as the first term. Then now next term will be of negative 4a into c, 4a into c is of 4ac overall divided by 4a square again. So, in this manner I got x plus b by 2a whole square equals to b square minus 4ac overall divided by 4a square as the logical step. But whereas in the next logical step, when I cancel square on one side of the equation, then I have to take immediately root of the other hand, that is the right hand side. So, I am going to cancel up here square, then I want to take the root on the other hand. So, here next logical step will be of, without square there will be of x plus b by 2a. By cancelling this, we will be getting x plus 2b by 2a. So, here that implies x plus b divided by 2a is equals to, we have to take the root of, the other hand is of b square minus 4ac overall divided by 4a square. So, I took the root of for the RHS. Then now the next logical step will be of. So, that implies, but here when we cancel the root, we will be getting the two roots here. So, one is of positive, the other is of negative. Then now x plus b by 2a is equals to, so root is applicable for both. So, numerator and as well as denominator, plus or minus, so root of b square minus 4ac overall divided by root is for again 4a square also. So, here I have utilized the step, the logical step, that is root of a by b can be written as root is for a in the numerator and root is for b in the denominator. So, based upon this reason, so I have utilized this condition. Then now the next logical step will be of, that implies x plus b by 2a is equals to plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac overall divided by root is for a and as root is for a square. So, root is for 4 and root is for a square. So, here I got this logical step. So, here root of ab can be written as under root 4 into a square as root of ab, a as 4 and b as a square. So, can be written as splitting this root for both, that is root is for a and root is for b. So, based upon this reason I wrote this logical step. Then now the next logical step will be of, that implies x plus b by 2a is equals to plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac overall divided by root of 4. So, here root of 4 can be written as root of 2 into 2, or in other words root of 2 is repeatedly multiplied twice, square and the root gets cancelled, is equals to only 2. So, instead of root of 4 I can write it as 2. So, square and root gets cancelled, just it is left over only a. So, that implies I want only value of x. So, now, so x equals to, so when plus b by 2a, when it is transposed over to the right hand side, becomes minus b by 2a. Then now, so plus of b by 2a transposing over to the right hand side becomes minus b by 2a. Then now this is of plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac overall divided by 2a. Then now when I take LCM for this, so LCM both are of like fractions, I say here denominators are same, I can write it as 2a. Then now 2a gets cancelled, only numerator minus b is left over. Then now plus or minus in between written as it is. 2a gets cancels because LCM divided by the denominator 2a by 2a, so gets cancels once, then now numerator will be written as it is, that is root of b square minus 4ac. So, equals to x. So, in this manner I got x equals to, so here therefore x equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is the formula which we have derived by utilizing the Gen form of a quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0.